A day in a life as a CAPSU student. So for today's vlog, I have an PE practice with Shane and we're going to school. For the record, the PE exercise is for our final exam in Ma'am Izzy's class. So we need to practice really hard for that. So before that, let's tackle about self-care. For me, self-care is about taking care of yourself, like getting a bath, picking your ears, cleaning your hair, and all that stuff is very necessary to take care of yourself because you are the only one that can understand fully yourself. And there are saying about you can't love another if you can't love yourself, and I totally agree with that. So self-care is basically taking care of yourself mentally, physically, and morally. Yun lang, thank you. So ayun na nga, nakababa na siya. Papasok na siya ng school and yeah. Magkano po dito? So ayun na nga, nakapasok na siya and sabi niya nagpaalam siya na magsi-CR o makit siya ng third floor kasi magbablog si Kim. And look at the view, diba? Oh, look, it's Kabsu. What are you waiting for? Enroll. Ay, nag-endorse. Oh, yan oh. Panis. Oh, oh. Saan ka dyan? Oh. Hey, oh. Minabaan pa yung ano. Oh, panis. Kabsu. The view. Yung next video yung sayaw. Oh yan, may pasabog oh. Twirl, oh, panis, nag-twirl. Oh, umikot. Umikot, oh, umikot ulit. Oh, 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 oh. Go, go. Oh, panis, oh, makdo. Oh, tumayo pa. Oh, oh. Dance, dance, oh, dance. Oh, panis. Oh, 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 oh. Umikot, umikot na naman. Oh, nagbaw. Tapos, uwi na po kami.
Hala, nagbablog siya.
Bakit? Uwi na ako. Uwi na.
Madalian yun. Madalian.
Kung ba madali gagala pa. Uy, tabi, tabi, tabi. Gagala pa tayo. Gagala pa ako.
Saan ka pupunta?
Robinson.
Robinson Imus.
Hmm.
Ay, malapit ka na lang dun eh.
Siyempre.
Kaya yung walking.
Lakad ko yun.
Nakawin natin, papunta doon? Hey, hindi.
Ay, gago, wag yun. Ayoko mag...
Gagawin yung sa Patindig malapit lang eh. Unahan na lang yun.
Oo, malapit lang. Nilalakad ko yun. Lalakad daw pa uwi para mahaba vlog ko. Ay!
Sige, gawin mo. Nasagot mo na yung 3 tanong.
Bakit? Di ba voice over ko yung sagot?
Ang pangat talaga pag naka-voice over eh, no? Diba yung voice na nalabas kasi sa... Iaano ko nga yun, like, inasak ko yung voice ko.
Hello! Ako
Okay, mas mabuhay pa boses mo pag gusto.
Binabackstab ako ng dalawa sa likod. Ayan o. So while I'm at Robinson, let's answer the question, what have I thought about myself recently? So, for me, I'm not gaining any weight. I'm getting thinner. And I have a breakout a little. Yes. And I have a flaw in my teeth. I have insecurities, but I know my worth. And it's definitely worth something. You can't hurt me by my insecurities, but yeah, I know my worth. Alam ko yung halaga ko, kaya naintindihan ko kung sino. At this point, naghahanap ako sa National Bookstore ng golden foil, but unfortunately, wala akong nakita. Sabi ni ate, wala na daw. Only silver foil. And umakyat ako ng bookstore. Still, no golden foil has been found. Only silver. God. Robinson, what happened? Now, gusto ko na pumunta na, pumunta ng, yan, outfit check. Vanes. Sino ka dyan? Ayan, bago ako umuwi, nag-Tekken muna ako sa Tom's World. Yes, my favorite game. And my main character is definitely Christy Montero. Her background story is she is Italian, I think. Basta Latina queen na very footwork ang galawan niya. And I like it because very tricky siya laruin. And yun, ang gagaling niya sumipa. And the character model is very good. Kaso nga lang, Tekken, anong ginawa niya? Ba't niya pinatay si Christy? Nakakaasar kayo Balik niya si Christy. Tekken 8. Kasi sa Tekken 7, and in her storyline, Christy Montero died in her wedding. And namatay na rin siya sa... Namatay na rin yung nanay niya during the fight of Tekken War, which is yung brother niya, kalaban niya doon. Di siya, parang politician yung datingan ng brother niya, kaya di sila nag-agree sa mga decision niya at nagkita lang sila nung namatay yung mother niya. And unfortunately, namatay din siya during her wedding. Shocking, di ba? So yun na nga, lumabas na ako. Kita niyo panis. Kita niyo yung pulbo? Kita ko. Ayan hawakan niya. Panis. Meron pa sa noo, di niya pa nakita yan. Meron pa sa kabila. Pinunasan. Nasa noo. Ayan. Okay na. Dali ka na umuwinak. So, before we end the vlog, let's answer the last question. When was the last time you took care of yourself and why? Personally, right now, I'm not in the state of present